Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the discussion on the topic orthographic projections. Under this, we are discussing now conversion of pictorial views into orthographic projections. That is, we are drawing front view, top view, and side view from the given pictorial view. This is the sixth problem we are discussing under orthographic projections. Now we'll move towards the problem. Pictorial presentation is given. Draw front view, top view, side view of this object by first angle projection method. This is the pictorial view is given. For this, we need to draw front view, top view, side view by using first angle projection method. Now we'll see what do you mean by first angle projection method. The first angle projection method is nothing but the object is placed in the first quadrant and front view is projected onto the vertical plane, top view is projected onto the horizontal plane, and side view is projected onto the profile plane. Here in the case of first angle projection, front view comes above the XY line, top view comes below the XY line, and side view comes above the XY line and it is adjacent to the front view. That is, in the case of first angle projection, the object is placed in the first quadrant. So front view comes above the XY line, top view comes below the XY line, side view comes on the profile plane that is adjacent to the front view above the XY line. Now we'll see overview of the front view, top view, side view for the given pictorial view. Now we'll see what are the dimensions we are able to see in the front view, top view and side view. That is, in the case of front view, we are able to see the true dimensions of length as well as height, whereas breadth is not seen in the front view. Whereas in the case of top view, we are able to see the true dimensions of length and breadth, whereas height is not shown. Next, in the case of side view, we are able to see the breadth and height, whereas length is not shown. That is, in the case of front view, we are able to see the true dimensions of length as well as height, whereas breadth is not shown. And in the case of top view, we are able to see length as well as breadth, but height is not shown. In the case of side view, we are able to see true dimensions of breadth and height, whereas length is not shown. Now we'll see what are the common dimensions in between front view, top view and side view. Length is common in front view and top view, breadth is common in top view and side view, height is common in front view and side view. Now we'll move towards in detail drawing about front view, top view and side view for the given pictorial view. As a first step, we need to draw the reference lines. So draw XY line and X1, Y1 line. After drawing the reference lines, then this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane and this is profile plane. On this plane, we'll draw front view and on this plane, we'll draw top view. On this profile plane, we'll draw side view. Now we'll draw front view. This is the given pictorial view. This is the direction of the front view. In the case of front view, we're able to see length and height, whereas breadth is not shown. So in the front view, we're able to see this rectangle and this particular square shape, this rectangle and this particular square shape we are able to see in the front view, whereas this groove, V groove is there, no? So this particular lower end of the V groove is not visible in the front view. So it is hidden. So we have to draw that V groove with a length of 36 and a depth of 16. So draw front view. So first, as a first step, draw 75 by 32 height rectangle. On that rectangle, we'll draw this 24 by 24 square. Then we'll draw V groove that is hidden. Say 75, then 32, again 75, 32, then draw this square that is height of it is 24 and length is 24 and again height is 24 here. So drawing this square shape and this rectangle shape in front view is over. In the case of front view, breadth is not shown. Then coming to this V groove, the V groove is not visible in the front view, but the V groove depth is 16 mm from the top and its length is 36 mm. So from 16, that is 16 mm down and again length 36. So this V groove is not visible. So that's why we are drawing that V groove image as a dotted line. Now after drawing the front view, then draw projectors through front view towards the horizontal plane for drawing the top view. That is top view we are drawing onto the HP. Then we'll draw top view. This is the direction of the top view. That is, we are seeing the image of the object at the top. In the case of top view, we are able to see these blue color lines shaded region. Blue color lines shaded region. Say the square shape and here inclined rectangle and this particular shaped region and this inclined rectangle in V groove and another inclined rectangle in V groove is visible in the top view. So in the case of top view, the two dimensions of breadth and length is visible and height will not be shown in the top view as it is perpendicular to the observer's vision. That's why height is a point in top view. So in the case of top view, this blue color shaded region is visible in the top view. So draw top view for that. So this is the length and this is the breadth. So this particular length line comes nearer to the reference line and this is away from the this length line is away from the XY line. So draw length line with a length of 75 mm and breadth of 50 mm and again length of 75 mm and again breadth of 50 mm. Here this 6 mm and again here 6 mm, even though it is a slant line, it looks like straight here. Even though it's a slant line, here also it looks like straight here. So total it is straight line. So this is total 50 mm and length 75 mm and again 50 mm and again 75 mm. Draw one rectangle. 75 length, 50 breadth, 75 length, 50 breadth. Then this V groove image to be shown in the top view. Say that V groove starts at a distance 6 mm from the breadth direction and 6 mm from this breadth direction and then middle at a distance say 25 mm will get with a length of 36 mm and this one also with a length of 36 mm and this line also length of 36 mm. So draw image of the V groove. Say from here 6 mm and length it is 36 mm. From this end 6 mm. This is this line image here. Then here 36 mm. Then from this end 25 mm. Draw with a length of 36 mm. That is drawing V groove in top view is over. Then coming to this square shape, say length is 24 and breadth is 24 because height is point. That's why it looks like placed exactly on this rectangle. So this square is starts from this end at a distance 12 mm. From this end at a distance 12 mm. So draw this square shape in top view. From this end 12 mm and breadth is 24 and length is 24. So this is the shape of square in top view and it is placed here. Then coming to inclined rectangle here, this inclined rectangle that starts here as well as here, and even though it is a slant, it looks straight in the top view. Then drawing top view is over. Then we'll move towards drawing side view. For drawing side view, we'll draw 45 degrees inclined line at the intersection point of the both reference lines. So draw 45 degrees inclination line. After that, draw projectors through top view as well as front view towards the profile plane for drawing the side view. That is, draw projectors through top view as well as projectors through front view towards this profile plane for drawing the side view. That is, side view we are onto the profile plane. That is, drawing projectors is completed. Then we'll draw the image of the object in side view. In the case of side view, we're able to see the two dimensions of breadth and height, whereas length is not shown in the side view. Length is not shown in the side view because it is perpendicular to the observer's vision. So in the case of side view, this green color lines region is visible. This green color lines region is visible in the side view. So this region plus this region plus this region, these three regions are visible in the side view. So draw side view, that is breadth 50 mm, height 32 mm, and again 6 mm, and again 6 mm. And because length is perpendicular to the observer's vision, so that's why this line looks like placed here. So draw 50 by 32 by 50 rectangle. After that, draw this V shape. V shape is at a distance, say, starts at a distance 6 mm from this end, 6 mm from this end, and this corner is at a distance from the top 16 mm. From the top 16 mm, from the bottom also 16 mm. So draw V shape. After that, then this region is visible in the side view. So it starts at a distance 12 mm from this end, at a distance 12 mm, and height of it is 24 mm. Then breadth is 24 mm, and then slant line. This slant line touches the extreme point. So this slant line touches the extreme point. Draw slant line. So that's about side view. Then after drawing front view, top view, and side view, then we'll do the dimensioning. After doing the dimensioning, then we have to analyze. That is, in the case of first angle projection, front view is projected onto the vertical plane, top view is projected onto the horizontal plane, side view is projected onto the profile plane. In the case of first angle projection, front view comes above the XY line, top view comes below the XY line, and side view comes profile plane, and it is adjacent to the front view. Here, all these dimensions are in millimeters. That's about converting pictorial view into orthographic projections, that is drawing front view, top view, and side view for the given pictorial view. For queries, contact mvrrin@gmail.com. For more videos on engineering graphics, visit the following link.